Hello everyone, once again welcome to RES. Today we are going to learn about our next topic related to grammar, which is determiners. First of all, we will come to know what is determiners, then we will solve exercise related to that. It is very important part. If you will see previous question papers of 10th standard, you will come to know that there are so many questions which are asked in final exam or in board exam. Now see, let's have a look. Determiners indicate the type of reference made by the noun phrase. For example, definite, indefinite, possessive. They also indicate numbers or quantity. For example, such, much, 6, much, some, etc. Now see, it is very easy to find out determiners. There is one chart given below, and this is the list. This is a list of determiners. An, we already learned about it. It is article. All, another, any, both, each, either or neither nor. Enough, every, few, half, little, less, least, many, more, most, my, his, your, etc. Okay. Some are related to possessive, some are indefinite, some are definite. Some are also related to numbers or quantity. See here, no, one, some, several, the, these or that, these or those. These are common determiners. It is not compulsory for you to memorize this. It is very simple. Daily take a glance, you will come to know about the determiners, and it is very simple to find out in the sentence also. See, determiners come in front of position in noun phrases. For example, I am his best friend. His is in bold letter. You can see his is in bold letter, it is determiners, and best friend, it is noun phrase. In second sentence, each time I have tried to sell the house, I have had no buyers. In this sentence, each, which is related to, see here in this chart you will come to know that each, okay, we have seen already his, okay, the, no, these are the determiners. It is not in one sentence, there can be more than one determiners. In third sentence, I have had several lucky escapes. Okay. Second, more than one determiners may occur in noun phrase. Okay. Just as said that in one sentence there can be more than one or two determiners. For example, I do all the housework. All and the. See, all and the is also here. Okay, these are determiners. Second sentence, a maid looks after my two children. My, and it is related to counting or quantity, two. Okay, there is another chart. When more than one determiner can be used together, there is a fixed order which they occurs. Now see, just it's an order, the order of determiners. It is not for you, but we are going to take a glance. Actually, sentence will be there. We just have to find out determiners. All, both, half, these are quantifier. Then articles, demonstrative, possessive means my, your, a, article, my, those, these are related to demonstrative or possessive. Then numeral, 43, first, 2, these are numeral, and last is head. Okay, classmates, sister, uncles, kilo, car, boys, these are related to head. Actually, it is a kind of order of determiners. Let's take a glance only because it is not compulsory. We just want to find out determiners. In your textbook at page number 121, see there is question number 10. From the following sentence, underline the nouns and encircle their determiners that specify the noun in a noun phrase. Okay, it is very simple. You have to find out articles, possessive pronouns, demonstrative or quantifier. Examples are very simple. First, I am giving you a chance to find out. The first sentence is, he lost his voice for good. Try to find out, is there any determiners? The second sentence, over the years, Hawking has written 15 books. Is there any determiners? Third, these 3 books articulate his search for science holy grail. Fourth sentence, a few events prevented him from despondency. Fifth sentence, that dream made him realize it. We are going to encircle determiners and underline noun. Okay, see in the first sentence, he lost his voice for good. His we have encircled, which is determiners, and voice noun. Over the is determiner, year noun, 15 determiner, books noun. These 3 determiners, books noun, his determiners, search noun. A few determiners, events noun. That determiners, dream noun. You can see in one sentence there can be more determiners than 1 or than 2. There can be more determiners. Now I am giving you some example to do. Circle the determiners and underline the noun which they specify. It is very simple for you, and there is that particular instructions for you. Lesson number 1.2, page number 8. It is very easy to find out these sentences in your textbook, and it is also very easy to find out determiners and noun. All the best. Do it this work as soon as possible and send this on the group as your roll call. Means according to your roll call. These are the example of textual determiners. Okay, I can give you example more than that. These are related to non-textual sentences. These are non-textual means these are not in textbook. Okay, if you want to do more than that, you can find out answers. These answers are given in the bracket. Find out correct answers. Okay, select or choose the correct alternative from the bracket and find out the correct answer. And this topic is very simple, but it is very important also. I will come again with another lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe.